So in the last video we've seen concepts covered in this question, and in this video we will see how to write the answer. So every answer or every case study answer of a law, we will make it in three parts. First we'll cover the provisions in the questions if it's case study. Second, we'll do analysis, we'll head it as facts and analysis, and based on both we will come to a conclusion. So first here, if we know the section, we'll quote it. Otherwise, we'll write as per the provisions of the GST Act 2017. First, we'll quote the provision of RCM, which states that any services provided by, as per the scenario, director in a professional capacity to the company would be taxable under RCM. And thus, recipient would be required to pay GST to the government. Secondly, since there was employer-employee relationship, we will quote negative list as well. So we will quote as per section 7.2. Do not forget to write read with schedule 3 of the CGST Act. Supply of services between employer and employee under employment would neither be considered as supply of goods nor supply of services, and GST liability would not be attracted since it's a negative list. So these were the two provisions. Now we have come to analysis of this case scenario, wherein we will only come for first scenario, which is Mr. Priyam being an independent director. Will write that he is not an employee of the company, thus any services rendered by him would be covered under reverse charge mechanism as per 9.3. Hence, company is required to pay GST to the government under RCM. Now we have come to second part, the second scenario, this one. So we'll write that here in this independent scenario, Mr. Priyam is an executive director, an employee of the company. He received total amount of 1,25,000, out of which 60,000 was paid as a salary and 65,000 was paid as professional fees, I guess. Thus, what we'll do is there would not be any GST of 60,000 as it is covered under negative list, as we mentioned in this provision. We need not quote it again. So that is an advantage of bifurcating. And secondly, we will also write GST would be levied only on 65,000, which needs to be paid by the company under RCM. Since this 65,000, they had given a hint that TDS had been deducted under section 194J. So it does not come under salary. So from this we will write a conclusion, a small sentence, that from the aforementioned provisions and analysis we have come to conclude that in case scenario A, company is required to pay GST under RCM, and in case scenario B, no GST on 60,000 which is received as a salary. However, GST shall be applicable on 65,000 which is received as professional fees, and it will be covered under RCM as well. Thank you.